Hey guys, this is Nathan from the Off-Grid Shop, and today we're going to be talking about the smallest off-grid system for your needs. A lot of people always ask me, what kind of system do I need to run this, or what kind of system do I need to run that? And really, it just depends on your loads, and that's where it's really important to sit back and kind of think about what kind of loads you plan on running. Like even if you're a big coffee drinker and you're turning on the kettle 3 times a morning, that will make a big impact on your system, especially if you're in a weird spot where there's no sun or anything like that. So there's a lot of factors that come into play. So if your loads are under 3 kilowatt, you may want to look into something like the Ecoflow. These things have a 1300 watt hour battery inside them, and they have a 1600 watt inverter that can surge up to 3 kilowatt. So if most of your loads are under 2 to 3 kilowatt, you can definitely think about getting one of these. It's an all-in-one portable unit. It's got the battery inside. It's got all the charging points here, so you can charge from a solar panel, a car port, or just a normal power point. And then at the back, you've got all your power points here. So you just plug straight into that. And honestly, these can power a home. If you know how to live off-grid, there's no need to get a $20,000 off-grid system if your loads aren't going to need that. So definitely consider one of these. If you've got a small shed and you're looking to stay somewhere and have some power while you build another house, or you just got simple living needs and you don't need all that power, these things are definitely a great option. And with the newer ones as well, you can parallel up to 3 units. So the new Delta Max, I think their battery is 2000 watt hour. So you can have up to 6 kilowatt hour of storage with 3 of these units paralleled up together, which is more than you'll get from a normal standard off-grid system. So yeah, there's a lot of things that you can do with these. I definitely recommend looking into them if you're on a budget and you don't want to spend so much for a big off-grid system. Yeah, so they have a whole range of products, a whole different bunch of sizes that you can use for these, and it's really simple. Like if you've got a portable home as well, you sit one of these in there, you plug whatever you want in, and it just works straight away. You just turn it on. This heat gun, I think it uses about, on full blasts, it's using about 1800 watts. So it says here, from using this, it could last an hour of just using this, full blast. So in my opinion, it's a really good unit. It's definitely a solution to a lot of problems that people face out there for their off-grid systems. So it would be the perfect solution for your small off-grid system. So don't forget to check out our next video. We're going to be talking about a range of large off-grid systems available. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Thank you. Have a good day.